Hi everyone, welcome to Cache Walks.
We're at the New Zealand Mega 2020, being held in 2022. COVID has put it off just a little while, but we're here finally, enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, come and have a look at the lab caches that we're trying to find.
The venue was at Alfriston Hall, with everything getting underway at 10 a.m. We went first to sign the log.
Okay, sign my name, or sign our name. What colour? Orange. Oh, there you go. Right.
Excellent.
There you go.
As the day progressed, the log began to fill up with signatures from all over the country. Then a photo with Signal.
Hi Signal, nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's got birthday cake for us for the 20th celebration.
20 years of geocaching.
22 now.
Yes, yes, goodness me.
Yeah. Oh, good. Good to get the locationless cache.
Yeah, that's great.
On into the hall.
And what, you want my...
You are much a COVID pass.
COVID pass? Here it is.
Good morning, Lynn.
Good morning. Lovely, thank you very much.
Everyone was busy picking up their supporter packs. Then on to look at the shop with its trackables and cash containers.
These are nice ones, boy.
That looks familiar.
Yeah. GC45.
Yeah. Gosh, it's heavy.
Yeah. First cache in New Zealand and first outside the United States.
Yeah, it's great.
Nice plaque, isn't it?
It's lovely, very nice.
And there's a whole lot of geocoins here too.
Yep, and different colours with different amounts. There's Boney Bruce.
Old Boney Bruce here. Look, he's even registered.
That's cool, hold on. Get a close up of it.
Boney Bruce is a geocaching buddy of FMZ and is sometimes seen at geocaching events and hunting for caches. Now to sign the log for the original lid trackable. The lid is all that remains of the first geocache in New Zealand and the first outside of the United States.
Let's head out to complete the lab caches placed around the hall. Before the Mega, we saw this cache in Gorby's workshop.
Okay. Oh, this is looking nice.
Right.
Nice bright yellow.
Yep. I like yellow. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. This is another one also for the Mega. Oh, look at that. It rattles.
Inside there, yeah.
Oh, I wonder what's going on there. And you've got this to move. And maybe it's a combination of this one.
All right, so
Oh,
two things that move.
I wonder how we're going to find that out, eh?
Man.
Oh. So, without showing you any more, that's one I'm going to hang up maybe on a fence post or something like that.
Right.
And the Mega, they've got some wire fencing, and I'll have it up quite high.
Okay, now what do we do here? Nice little box.
Yeah, those dowels look as though you've got to pull them or twist them or something.
No, it's...
Do they come out?
No, they're stuck.
Maybe it's simple and maybe the
Oh, it
lid.
might be underneath.
No?
No, no.
What about the lid? Does that come?
No, it doesn't. Whoops.
Oh, look
Hey.
at that.
Look at that.
Oh,
No, hold on, it's not anything though.
no. Looks
there's
like keep spinning it.
It's just something here. Oh, I heard something move.
Does anything open now?
There's the kind of a thing here though. Oh, it comes down.
Oh, it opens.
Oh, that's so
There's
cool.
the log.
Yippee!
Oh, that's clever. That's a nice one.
Success. No, trouble getting it out. Coldplay.
Now on to find another of Gorby's caches.
Right, what do you reckon? Take the top off. Can you see down in there, Lynn?
There's balls there, like a zigzaggy thing.
G2, the other cache builder, joined us for this one. We didn't see the slot at first. We had our own way of solving the problem.
Well, that's not... Oh, hold on, I wonder... Oh, look at that. Oh, there's one left. I might need all of them out, eh?
Yep. See if you can get all of them in.
Oh, no. Oh.
It opens.
Yay!
The weight of the balls lifted the locking mechanism.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
Where's the logbook?
Yeah, where's the... Oh, on the side of the door there. Is that where the clue is?
Is it
Gravity.
Ah,
Like a cup of tea, but gravity.
Gravity,
okay.
yeah.
I'll write that down. So I'm not sure.
I think I'll follow you guys around.
Okay. Oh no, hold on, we've got to put it back. Hey. Yeah. Is that all of them?
Yes, I think that's all of them.
Okay. Put them all in there. Tap deep into the bowels of this agricultural icon and extract the answer to the question. This is G2's, so it's going to be a tricky one, I know that. Very well crafted. Oh, perhaps it's not tricky.
That's all right.
It's good. Actually, that's a good,
Nice easy one, this one.
yeah, nice. Yeah, very unusual.
Okay, let's get the clue. Or
Yep.
the word we need.
It wasn't going to be that simple.
Okay. Dummy cache only. Dummy only. Dummy cache. Look elsewhere.
Okay, we'll keep looking. Oh, G2.
Originally,
Yeah, difficult man.
Have you got it?
no,
No.
we can't work it out.
Okay, so now you've found the dummy. There's an added component to find the real cache.
Okay. Whoa, I don't like the look of that.
What in the world is this?
Oh, oh crikey.
Oh no.
Well, how do you start? Nothing to press. That was a dummy one. I don't know.
What are we missing?
There's nothing. There's
What about the
nothing.
bolt going through the screw there in the bolt? Can you
Was
undo
there-
the little screw? The little nut at the other side of it?
Can't.
Ah, we failed.
I failed.
What does it read in the description?
It said something about delve into the icon. What was it? Delve into the tap deep in the bowels of this agricultural icon and extract the answer. Well, okay.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Might have to, I think.
You don't lock it, open it.
Oh, we were pressing that, but it... Oh, perhaps I stuck it.
There it is.
Tap into the bells of the...
Ah, tap.
Now for another G2 cache.
Come on. Where would you be without our devices and electronic services that enables us to enjoy our sport? Dive deep into the bowels of this icon of the industry to find the answer to the question.
Use the booger.
Use the booger. I feel like I'm picking more than someone's nose doing this.
There's been a few noses. Well done.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Who's going to open that for me? Find the code word. That's cool.
Very cool.
We stopped many times so people could discover our trackable t-shirts. Now another cache to solve.
Then you can pull it out the bottom. Oh, you need to pull out the bottom. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, we did bottom versus top.
So what are you meant to do?
Go what the numbers are?
Do you know what you do?
No, I don't think you do take it
Well,
off
it's very
there.
famous theory.
Well, not for me, if I'll do science.
No,
You
neither.
would probably be even if you just do that, I think.
Yeah, we need the numbers.
Gorby pointed us in the right direction.
3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. That's his theorem. Yeah, so 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
There you go.
look at that.
Excellent.
And that's how it's supposed to work. And you take that out. Take, of course, what you want to go.
Just the little
Is
word
squared.
there.
We have seen this one too at Gorby's workshop before the mega.
So if I cut that,
I've got 2 bits that actually fit together.
You got 2, good.
Yeah.
Teddy was interested for a while until he found a much more interesting stick.
It was definitely easier not trying to hold it in your hand.
All right, good. Hey, you did it.
The next one was rather tricky.
Ever tried to fit the square peg in the round hole?
He's going to. Nah.
Okay. Well, alright, we'll try.
Putting it all back, then on to the last for the day.
You got mail. Okay, everybody loves receiving mail. Can you find the key to opening your mail?
Okay, so we've got to get the padlock. So we've got a key for the padlock.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, okay.
Oh, what's on that?
It's a piece of string
The
here.
string? What happens if we pull the string? Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, here's another one here.
Hold on, let me get this film there.
You might be.
Okay, another bit of string.
Oh, it's coming. But I can't get around the other side.
Might need to give me your phone. I'll put your phone down. Oh, there's the key.
Oh, is it? Where?
Dropped out over here.
Oh, did it? Oh, cool.
here's the mail.
Oh, sorry. Am I
No, you're good.
ruining it for everybody?
Well, it's going to be like that. Sorry.
No, it's all right. Stay there. You're fine. Did I get it filmed?
It's okay completely.
Okay.
Ta-da! There it is.
Letterbox.
Now we write it in.
Well, that brings us to the end of this cash walk at the New Zealand Mega 2020, held in 2022. Our thanks to Funky Monkey Zone and the committee for organising a great day for us. We've really
Definitely.
enjoyed it, and those lab caches.
Yes.
So that's thanks to Gorby and to G2.
Yep.
Thanks for watching.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to go geocaching.